In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an app from the Atlassian Marketplace. To get started, sign into Jira using an account that has administrator permissions. This is important because only admins can access the settings and install new apps. Once you're inside Jira, look for the settings icon, shown as a gear, and click it to open the administration options. From there, go to Apps, then choose Find New Apps. In some Jira versions, this may appear as Explore Apps, but the purpose is the same. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace area built into Jira, where you can browse and install apps that add new features and integrations. Next, use the search bar to find the app you want to install. Before installing anything, take a moment to carefully review the app details. Look at the features to make sure the app does what you need. Check compatibility so you know it works with your Jira environment. Review the pricing information as well, especially if the app offers both free and paid options. It's also a good idea to read user reviews so you can get a sense of other admins' experiences with the app. Once you're confident it's the right choice, click either Try it free or Install, depending on what's available. Jira will then show you the permissions the app is requesting. Read these carefully before moving forward. This step matters because apps may request access to data, projects, or system functionality, and you should always understand what you're approving. If everything looks correct, click Start Free Trial or Install App. Jira will begin downloading and installing the app for you. This may take a few moments, so just wait for the process to finish. When the installation is complete, you'll usually see an option like Get Started or Configure. Click that to open the app's setup page. From here, configure the app settings based on your team's needs. Some apps work right away with minimal setup, while others may require additional options, connections, or preferences to be defined. If needed, grant access to the appropriate users, groups, or projects. This helps make sure the right people can use the app without giving unnecessary access to everyone. After setup, test the app to confirm it works correctly. Try the main feature you installed it for and make sure it behaves as expected inside Jira. Finally, go to Apps and then Manage Apps to verify that the app appears in the installed apps list. That's it. You've successfully installed an app from the Atlassian Marketplace and confirmed it's ready to use.